Hey, what's going on, guys? This is What to Sell on Amazon, and I'm Horace. And I wanted to take a little bit of time just to talk to those of you who actually follow me. That may not be many, it doesn't matter. We started doing these videos back in 2017, and the only thing I ever wanted to do was help you guys. And for those that cared, you could follow me along my journey. And you know, in this video, I just want to talk about the fact that selling on Amazon still works for now. So if you're thinking about doing this, guys, don't wait. Get in right now. But it's a lot of work. You're not seeing as many videos from me as you used to. And that's because I have to try and balance, the work that I'm actually doing on Amazon with how much time I can devote to helping and sharing and teaching others. And there really needs to be an imbalance. I'm not looking for a balance. I'm looking for more profit. And in order to get more profit, you have to do more work. So what we had to do was make a conscious effort. We wanted to double what we were doing in terms of revenue. And in order to do that, you have to make double the purchases. That means double the shipments going out. That's double the preparation. You want more, you have to do more. There's no way around it, guys. This is not passive income. Retail arbitrage, online arbitrage, this is a hustle business. So you got to do the work, okay? And if you want to say that it's not working, okay, remember my saying, you're it. So if it's not working, you are it. You're not working. You're going to get out what you put in. We all know this. So do not delude yourself. Do not kid yourself into thinking that you're going to get something for nothing. I can show you what's going on today. What's today's date, Jim? September 2nd. And if you look at my seller app, we just did a video showing how to use that, but if you use the app, you can see today I had 17 sales, $380 worth. And if you look over the last 30 days, we've done, if I can get that in focus, over 12,000 for the last 30 days. And what the significance is this. You're looking at 288% more than where we were this time last year. So you're talking upwards 3 times, not quite, but upwards 3 times the amount of revenue that we had coming in this time last year. So, and that came from doing almost 3 times the work. There's nothing else to it, guys, but I want to encourage you. This does work. I like to give value, to the point where I host a whole series that I pay the hosting for. I go out and try to find deals that I can share with you. I haven't been doing it as much lately, but I will be going back to doing that only because I'd like to help you. And I really want for you guys to be encouraged. This stuff really does work. But you got to put the work in, guys. So that's all I wanted to share with you today. And, you have to have goals. I finally got up to 12,000. We're looking to get to double that, obviously. But you have to take your steps. You're not going to jump from 12 to 24 like that. Because in order to do that, I would have to do double the amount that I'm doing now. That's double the work, double the amount of inventory, double the money that's going into purchasing. You have to build and continue to build in steps. But if there's anything that I can do to help, I'm willing to try. So, shoot me, send me a remark. If I can get to it, I would love to. Let me know how you guys are doing. And also, as usual, subscribe to the channel. Be encouraged. This is a community, You're watching me, you're watching the other videos. There are other people out there giving value, but you got to do the work, okay? And, don't make this hard. The work is, doing Amazon arbitrage, whether it's retail or online, it's not hard. The challenge is in being able to put the work in while maintaining a full life that includes work, that includes family, that includes a home, and all the things that we have, you know, especially if you're like me, 50 years old. So, you know, don't make this hard. It's very easy, but it's like anything else. You get better as you put the work in. You have to continue. You cannot start, stop, and then turn around and wonder why you're not making the progress. You know, if you're here just to consume information, that's fine if that's what you want. If you're here just to learn because you like to learn things, that's fine. That's your choice, and you're certainly within your rights to do that. But if you want to make some money, you got to get serious and you got to do the work. You know, at some point you got to stop reading. You got to stop buying programs. You got to stop doing all this stuff, and you got to roll up your sleeves and you got to get to work. So I hope that encourages you. Please subscribe to the channel. Give it a thumbs up. If this video was valuable to you, make sure you hit the bell notification. And, you know, for what it's worth, go to onlineinternetprofits.com. Sign up, you know, to get on and get the free leads. I get them out when I can, but you have to understand, I'm not one of these guys that do a lot of this and I'm not doing none of this, okay? And I'll tell you something. You look at what I talked about and what I showed you, okay? I'm looking to almost triple the amount of sales, but you notice what happened? Less videos. You want to make more money? You got to do less of this and you got to do more of this. So if you're not seeing as much from me as you're used to, it ain't personal, baby. It's all about, I got to make this money, okay? And I'm not just a guy that talks about it. I'm actually doing it. So remember, that's the situation as it is. But that does not stop the fact that I want to continue to help, and I will continue to help. And I'm enlisting others, you know, to come along with me in order to make this possible. So once again, go to Online Internet Profits and sign up for the free leads. We'll get them out, and we're making another push on that. So you want to go ahead and get signed up so that you can take advantage. You know, it's time consuming. You know, when you're talking about the free leads, you're talking online arbitrage, okay? But there's time involved in that. So the reason I'm giving this information, the reason I'm doing this for you is to try to save you a little time. I'm assuming that you're like me, that you work. I'm specifically looking for you if you're the person who's working a full-time job and looking to better yourself and you're willing to put the work in. You're the one that I'm looking for. So what can I do to help that person that's like me? Save him some time. That's your most valuable resource. So that's it, guys. Thanks so much for taking your time to watch. This is What to Sell on Amazon. I'm Horace, and I'm out.
Oh, yes.